Alright guys, so our eggs are still here. Yeah, so that means the pigs aren't here. Yeah, so that means we have to go fast. Why you moved the egg, Chuck? Oops, sorry. It's okay. But I still want to go fast. Oh my gosh, it's only like 7 o'clock in the morning. Oops, sorry. I had coffee. Oh. Whoa, let's steal that yellow bird and lock him up in our dungeon. Yes, we should do that. Sounds like a good idea. Yeah, since he's fast, he might be able to escape, but he's the fast one. He might not. He might waste his energy. I don't know how you do that. You're so fast. What do you mean? Anybody can lose energy. Yes, I'm back. I'm back to destroy those birds once and for all. Hey guys. Woo! Oh, what's up? Oh, wait. Super Red, you're back? Oh, yeah, Super Red. Glad to have you back. I thought you got sucked back into your realm. Well, I found a way back, because in my realm, we have portals. Oh, cool. Yeah. I thought it was that you would be able to beat the birds. Yeah, me too. Actually, that's pretty unfortunate. Yeah. From our last encounter, there was only 4 birds. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, now there's 5. And now they have a fast one. And we're gonna try to lock them up in our dungeon. You guys have a dungeon since when? Well, you kind of disappeared like a few years ago. So like we just thought we could rebuild and our pigs could rebuild a little bit. Okay. Yeah, I think we should lock them up in the dungeon. Yeah, me too. I think that sounds like a good idea. I actually have a new power. I can teleport people. Okay, teleport Yellowbird into the dungeon. Okay, we'll do that right now. Such a nice day to guard the eggs, just like every day. Yeah, I know. Wait, where did Chuck go? I don't know, that's kind of weird. Yeah, that's kind of weird. Yeah, I wonder where he went. Wait, the eggs just disappeared. What's happening? Wait. No. It must be Super Red. Whoa, where am I? It's kind of weird. Wait, there's lava. I don't know. Can I get up? No. Wait, I hear something. Hi, Yellowbird. You are stuck in a lava dungeon, and the lava will start rising, and you will be stuck in here. No! How am I gonna get out of this place? Maybe I'll, climb on the walls. That didn't work. Are you kidding me? I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Where's the block? Who teleported me here or something? I don't know what happened.